Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so we quickly learned how to modify content on two separate pages. Now what we're going to do is create a page of our own. The way to do that is go into this routes folder, create a new folder, and this is going to be the actual route. Just to get us started, let's go ahead and just copy. Let's go ahead and just copy the home page into the Royce folder. Boom. We'll notice that there's this massive kind of bug here, and the reason being, let's see if we can find the reason in here. ID home page has been used more than once. So it's just parsing through and it's noticing that this is not unique. Don't worry, we can just go ahead and fix that just like that. And we're back in business. Okay, so if we did this job right, this should be a complete copy of the home page, which it is. Voila. We've created our first page. Now let's go ahead and start diving a little bit deeper into what's going on in here. We'll notice there's a couple things going on here, but the first thing I want to look at is 23 component name content block. So content block is the name of a Sitecore component, and we'll notice that it has fields, heading, and content. These are tied to Sitecore in some way. So where do we find it? We can look inside of this folder here, inside of Sitecore. Underneath is definitions. And as you can imagine, we can find the definition of Sitecore components. The first one is going to be content block. So if we open this up, we'll notice the definition. And Sitecore is built to be a content management system. And so these are fields that marketers can edit inside of Sitecore once this is deployed. So we'll notice heading is here, and there are common field types. This one is assigned single line text, whereas content has been assigned rich text. And that will explain why you can see markup in here, whereas this is just plain text. So let's go ahead and just have some fun. Let's delete this real quick. Let's delete this real quick. I'm gonna make something silly here. So let's go chapter 1. Oh, chapter 1, the millennial yuppie. Then under the content, we can do markup. So we can do, let's go H4, wanted a job in finance for money and status. But that's fine. Add to the story. And then we can put, he quickly learned that managing other people's money is boring. There we go. So go here. Great, we've just updated this. This was just single line text, and this is actually markup. So we've created a new page, we've modified some contents. Let's go ahead and add another component. For us, just to keep it simple, we can add another component by just doing that. We want to add another content block. This time we want to, let's just change the content a little bit. So to Royce quits. Then we'll put Royce bought a one-way ticket. To volunteer after hurricanes destroyed the U.S. Virgin Islands. Bang. If we did that right, we've now successfully added another content block and filled out the two fields available. And boom. Start seeing here, you can start building a page with Sitecore components. And that is the second mini lesson of the day. Thanks.